So there's something that I discovered that is really interesting, right? About the Nadaraya Watson indicator. Best strategy that I've discovered so far. All right, first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to look for one thing, one simple thing, right? Now, this strategy works best on this time frame. So I'll show you exactly how it works. Now, how do you look for a buy or a sell, right? The two criteria. It's either you see an engulfing candle or a pin bar. Two criteria. And obviously, it has to touch one of the envelopes, right? Either the bottom or the top one. Now let me show you something, right? So as you can see, price approaches the envelope, gives us a nice engulfing candle. See that? Great. Now price approaches our envelope, gives us a nice pin bar, which you can see there. Let me show you another example. Look at this. This is very nice. Price approaches our, you can see we have a nice engulfing candle here, and furthermore there's more momentum here, right? So you could have entered here or here. So this strategy works really well, especially when you combine it with the Heiken Ashi indicator. Let me show you guys now. It works really well when you combine it with this indicator, because when price is oversold and you receive an engulfing candle right here, then it means price wants to fall. You can see right here. So prices might still fall down, but yeah, that's just the gist of it. Make sure to try it out. Let me know in the comment section if you need help, and I'll help you out. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next one.